Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable an on-screen keyboard on your LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So the fastest way to enable an on-screen laptop is by using the shortcuts. The shortcut is Windows Control O. So just press these three buttons all together like this, and this enables an on-screen keyboard on your screen. But if this option doesn't suit you, then you can also enable this feature by going into pressing the start button, then going into settings, then scrolling down to accessibility settings, and then selecting keyboard option and going right here and switching this toggle bar over here, and this will also enable the on-screen keyboard, which you can freely reshape, resize, and make it look the best way possible for you. But if it's not quite the option that you're looking for, you can also use the text input option by going into personalization, going into taskbar, and then select the touch keyboard, and right here you have to enable you have to press always to enable the touch screen to touch keyboard on your taskbar. It will appear right here. So to enable it, just press over here on your taskbar, and this way you will also see an on-screen keyboard. This one you can change unless in personalization, through personalization settings, but generally to disable it, to remove it from taskbar, you have to either choose when no keyboard attached or never. So let's just select when no keyboard attached, and so it has disappeared from our taskbar. But if you want to enable it once again, you know what to do. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.